afternoon, class. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes po,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is, and I will be your new teacher in philosophy. So before we start our meeting, I would like to know some information about you guys. Anything that you would like to share to the class? Who wants to go first?
Ma'am, hello po. Rinig po ba, ma'am?
Yes, Mr. Garin.
Ako po, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon po. My name po is Rin, and I'm 17 years old, and I'm currently living here in Imus, Cavite. And ang ambition ko naman po sa life, ma'am, is, maging mapa po.
Mapa.
Opo, pangarap ko po maging mapa.
Okay? Kakaibang pangarap yan, Mr. Garin. Bakit mo gustong maging isang mapa?
Hello po, ma'am. Pangarap ko po, ma'am, mapa sa'yo.
Heart is the main special muscle that we have. It is a muscle that pumps blood to all part of our body. The
Ma'am,
blood pump.
ma'am,
Yes, Mr. Garin?
permission to speak po.
Okay, go.
Ma'am, di ba po yung heart nasa kaliwa?
Yes, Mr. Garin, bakit?
Eh, bakit po yung sa akin nasa iyo?
It's also known
Ma'am,
as next.
ma'am,
Yes,
permission to speak po.
yes, go on.
Ma'am, paano po sabihin yung I love the view but the is silent?
I love the view but the is silent. I love you.
I love you to po.
Sama ka, pusang sigat.
Ma'am, post ka nga po.
How about Miss Ledesma? Okay, very good. And Mr. Garin, what is your score, anak?
Ma'am, 4 lang po.
4? Bakit 4?
4 lang, ma'am. For you. Ma'am, pwede pa magtanong?
Okay.
Ma'am, ano pong Tagalog ng expensive profit?
Expensive profit.
Apo.
Mahal na kita.
Mahal na din po kita.